Go on YouTube. I'm here with my son. I'm about to show him how we usually play this game called marble back home, Jamaica. Let's do this. First, we're gonna draw the circle. Not square, circle. You don't want it too big, you don't want it too small.
Yo, Dad, what are those, bro?
What's up, bro? This is a roll in Jamaica, man. Now you're gonna add yours. Right. So next. Okay, so now we're gonna go like about 12 feet from the ring. I'm gonna draw the borderline, right? So this is gonna be the borderline. We're gonna throw from here. So we're gonna throw from here. Yeah, you see the finger like this. So the person that throw the closest to the ring, they shoot first. So you're gonna take your time. And throw. So as you can see, my marble is in the ring, right? So what that mean? Remember?
No.
Yeah, I'm inside the ring, so I'm closer to the ring, so I shoot first. Remember?
Yeah.
Okay. So the rules and the aim of the game is to clear all the marbles. You understand?
Yeah.
But if I want, I can shoot your marble, and the game ends easily, just like that. But we're not gonna do that. I'm gonna try and clear the ring, but if you come in my zone, I'm gonna shoot you. You can shoot me too, and it's your time to fire. If not, you can head after the one in the rings. You got it?
Yeah.
If I miss, it's your time to shoot, okay? But if I get one out, I continue shooting. So this is mine. This is mine. It's my time to shoot again. Only if I shoot at you. No, I'm gonna give you a chance to shoot. But you gotta watch your pro, okay? Now it's your time. Shoot. No, bro. No, let me show you. You do like this. You hold your finger like this. Behind the line. When you look, you aim for the target. Normally, we usually be on our knees like this, so we get a good aim. You understand?
Yep.
Then you shoot. You see that? So now you're gonna shoot again. This is yours. See, mark your line. Right. So now you're gonna shoot. Oh, now it's my turn to shoot. Okay, the next thing again, I just remember I have two from the ring, right? If I come near you, you could shoot me, and you gain these two, and you clear whatsoever is in the ring. So you're the winner. Let's hope I don't come near you.
Yes.
Oh man, I missed this shit. Your time to fire. You remember how to fire, right?
Yep. Oh,
Okay.
man.
Watch yourself, bro.
Oh, my God.
That's feeling. Okay, YouTube. Because he's my son, I'm gonna give him a ply because normally the marble are not supposed to touch your feet. You know what I mean?
Sure, my dad.
So now it's my turn to shoot. Listen, I'm gonna hit this girl right now.
Yes.
Damn. Oh, you stay over there, man.
No.
You stay over there. Remember, if you come in my zone, I can shoot you and take what you get. No, once it's in the ring, I get a next try, free throw. I think. All right.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Look at the pro, bro. Oh, shooks, I missed it.
No.
Okay, you can stay over there, man. You can stay over there.
No.
Okay. Okay. That's it, guys. Game almost finished.
No.
All right, baby. Oh, shucks.
No.
Too bad. Too bad.
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Let me see if I can shoot it from here. No. I'm gonna have mercy on you today.
Yes.
Oh. So you shoot at me, okay? You shoot at me, okay? Listen, I don't want you to stop my mob, okay? Shoot at the ring. Oh! That's dope, man. Damn. So how many again? Two.
What?
See. You play well, man.
Yeah.
You want the next game?
Maybe. No.
Even though you got the last marble, I still have the most in my hand. So guess what? Better try next time, son.
This game is
Peace
rigged.
out.